Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Oops, I got you. Maybe right now you are wondering, what's the purpose of life? What's the true meaning of life? Come and watch me how did I figure things out with the 15 days self-care challenge. Come.
Say mama, mama.
Always better. He always better. Straight off the ground, all my dreams.
Pag ginagawa sa school? Wala pa ginagawa? Ang luwag mo ngayon.
Pesos lang lahat. Pesos lang. Ayun ang mga pesa.
Ngunit kailangan ng tabangan na sabihin na nararapat na hindi na nga. Hindi na nga. And I find myself cold.
Kakain na kami din. Ni Jesus Christ. So, this is my devotion. I started my devotion noong September 10, 2023. It's been a years, 3 years, and paubos na yung notebook ko. And ito. Tcharam! Ito yung conversation na kami lang nila ang nakakaalam. May secrets, may sufferings, struggles, and even the winning moments. Alam ng notebook na to.
So guys, ito na. Isasan ako din. Hadala ni Ate Grace. Karating na kami sa nature. We're walking in the... Walking. Nakarating dito si Kuya mo. Or may siso.
Hindi ako alis sa tabi mo. Hindi